Welcome back to Levi Math Academy, where we make mathematics simple and easy to understand. Hello guys! Have you ever looked at a question like 2x plus 7 is equal to 15 and thought, what do I even do here? Don't worry. Today I'm going to teach you algebra step by step, from the easiest questions to the kind of questions that actually appear in examinations. By the end of this lesson, you'll be solving algebra confidently. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters to represent numbers we don't know. These letters are called variables. Examples: x, y, a, b. Think of algebra like detective work. The number is hiding and your job is to find it. And types of algebra. There are three common types. Monomial, contain one term. Examples: 5x, 3a. Binomial, contain two terms. Examples: x plus 5, 2a, minus 3. Trinomial, contain three terms. Examples: x power of 2 plus 3x plus 2, a, plus b plus c. With this type, we understand the different type of algebra. Then let's solve the simple equation. X plus 5 is equal to 10. Step 1. Collect like term. Remove the plus 5 and move the right changing to minus 5. Then subtract 5 from both sides. X equals 10 minus 5. X equals 5. That is your answer. Now let's solve. 3x equals 15. 3 is multiplying x. So we divide both sides by 3. X equals 15 divided by 3. X equals 5. That is your answer. Simple. Remember, if a number is multiplying x, divide. Then let's continue to the next question. This type of question appears very often in examinations. 2x plus 7 is equal to 15. Step 1. Collect like term and move plus 7 to the right side to minus 7. 2x equals 15 minus 7. 2x equals 8. Step 2. Divide like term by 2. X equals 8 divided by 2. X equals 4. Always remove addition or subtraction first. A question is given. X squared minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. Solution. Step 1. Factorize the equation. But before we solve the question, what do you understand by the word factorize or factorization? Factorization is the process of breaking down an algebraic expression into simpler expressions called factors. Now let's factorize. X squared minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. We need to find two numbers that multiply to give plus 20, add to give minus 9. The numbers are minus 5 and minus 4 because minus 5 times minus 4 is equal to plus 20. Minus 5 plus minus 4 equals minus 9. Therefore, x minus 5, x minus 4 equals 0. Step 2. Set each factor equal to 0. Now, for the product of two factors to be 0, at least one of the factors must be 0. Therefore, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Or, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Solving each equation. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X equals 5. Or, x minus 4 is equal to 0. X equals 4. Therefore, x equals 5. Or, x equals 4. Answer: x equals 4 or x equals 5. Remember, factorized quadratic equations often end with two answers because the equation contains x squared. Quadratic equations can have up to two possible values of x. Let's try a harder question. Solve. 3 open bracket 2x minus 5 close bracket equals 2 open bracket x plus 7 close bracket. Solution. Step 1. Expand both sides. Multiply 3 by every term inside the left bracket and multiply 2 by every term inside the right bracket. 3 times 2x minus 3 times 5 is equal to 2 times x plus 2 by 7. Therefore, 6x minus 15 equals 2x plus 14. Step 2. Collect like terms. Move the x terms to the left side and the numbers to the right side. 6x minus 2x equals 14 plus 15. 4x equals 29. Step 3. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 29 divide 4. Therefore, x equals 7 1/4. Answer x equals 7 1/4. That's all for today's lesson. If you want more simple mathematics lessons and examination questions, subscribe to Levi Math Academy and click the video on your screen for more lessons. Practice creates confidence. Confidence creates success. See you in the next mathematics lesson.